Do you understand English but freeze when you try to speak? Maybe you know many English words. Maybe you studied grammar for years. But when you want to speak, your mind goes blank. And then you say, maybe. Sorry, my English is not good. But listen carefully. You do not need perfect grammar to speak English fluently. You only need to learn how to build simple sentences fast. And in this video, I'll show you 7 easy tips that will help you make English sentences naturally and confidently. Let's start. Your brain learns language through patterns, not through memorizing long grammar rules. That's why children can speak fluently. They hear sentence patterns again and again. Then they copy them naturally. So today, we will train your brain to think in English patterns. Ready? Let's go. Tip number 1. Start with simple sentences. Many learners try to make very long sentences. That creates stress. Start small. Instead of saying, I would like to explain my opinion regarding this topic, say, I think this is good. Simple English is powerful. Fluent speakers use short sentences all the time. Tip number 2. Use the magic formula. Subject plus verb plus object. For example, I drink coffee. She plays football. We watch movies. This is the foundation of English speaking. Practice this pattern every day. Tip number 3. Learn sentence patterns, not only words. Don't only memorize vocabulary. Memorize full sentence patterns. Instead of learning only hungry, learn I'm hungry. Instead of learning busy, learn I'm busy right now. This helps your brain speak faster. Tip number 4. Speak out loud. Reading silently is not enough. Your mouth also needs practice. Speak every sentence out loud. Even if you are alone. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect. Confidence grows through speaking. Tip number 5. Use daily life sentences. Practice sentences you really use every day. Like, I'm going to work. I need some water. I'm tired today. These sentences become automatic. And automatic sentences create fluency. Tip number 6. Stop translating. Many learners translate from their native language first. That slows down speaking. Instead, connect English directly to ideas and images. See a cup? Think cup. Not your native language first. This trains your brain to think faster in English. Tip number 7. Repeat the same sentences many times. Repetition is powerful. Don't practice one sentence only once. Repeat it 10 times. 20 times. For example, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Your brain loves repetition. That's how fluency is built. Now I want to hear from you. What is one English sentence you use every day? Write it in the comments right now. And try to make it simple. One common mistake is this. People wait to speak until their grammar is perfect. But fluency does not come from perfection. It comes from practice. So stop waiting. Start speaking today. Even simple English is real communication. Listen carefully. Every fluent English speaker started with simple sentences. Nobody was born speaking perfectly. Step by step, sentence by sentence, you will improve too. So keep practicing. Keep speaking. And don't be afraid of mistakes. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and watch the next video to improve your English faster. And remember, small sentences today, fluent English tomorrow.